The explainer video, also referred to as a visual essay, is a staple in the world of motion design. Stay in this industry for long enough and you'll become quite familiar with this type of project. But the fact that explainer videos are so common doesn't mean that they're easy to produce. The clients can be tricky to manage, you may have to visualize something really complex, and the production workflow can be tough to wrangle, which is why we've built Explainer Camp. This course is a full-blown simulation of actually doing an explainer video for a client, wrapped up in the amazing experience of a School of Motion course. I'll walk you through an entire client project from initial phone call to final delivery. You'll see everything, including how to deal with, revisions. And while I tackle my project, you'll learn how to handle client phone calls and emails, how to bid and plan for a project, how to come up with ideas, design them, and bring them all the way to final render. It's a tall order, but you'll have plenty of help. Your session of Explainer Camp will include students from all over the world who will be doing their own projects while you tackle yours. You'll also be assigned a teaching assistant who will be giving you feedback and targeted critique throughout the entire process. You'll listen to the Explainer Camp podcast, which features some of the top artists, studios, and producers in the explainer game, and you'll be able to download hundreds of project files to see how other students are tackling their videos. So, if you're ready to take on a full project from start to finish with an insane amount of support along the way, sign up for the next session of Explainer Camp. We recommend having your design and animation skills tuned up before taking this course, so check out our other classes if you need to brush up on those first. Contact us with any questions you might have, and we hope to see you at the flagpole.
1, 2, 3, grab your tablets and keyframes, my friends. We'll go from script to final render and sleep in our tents. Just don't forget your marshmallows. This is Explainer Camp.